Today I'm reviewing the Matsato Chef Knife. This is one of my go-to knives whenever I'm cooking. Whether I'm cutting meat or fruits and vegetables, this knife gives you a nice cut. You can do really thin cuts with it because that blade is about 8 to 12 degrees. I really love the oak handle on here. It is full tang, so you can see that the blade goes all the way through the handle. This oak blade's very nice, has a nice grip to it. It's nice and smooth. I do love the hole feature here, so you can put your finger in here, and then there's a grip for your thumb, so you get really great control of that blade while you're cutting, which is very important with anything sharp like this. This blade is stainless steel. Just a great overall knife. I mean, I really use this for just about everything. This is my go-to knife, like I said. Love the texture right here. This is super easy to clean. I usually just hand wash it with a little soap and water. Dry it up, and it's a great knife. I highly recommend.